So the great spiritual path, which is also the great way of life, is to turn this back, is to say, life has the right to be the way it is. It's very grand of you, I think, right? Life has the right, the moment in front of me has the right to be the way it is. There are forces, doesn't mean I like it, doesn't mean I can give lots of reasons why it would be better another way. That didn't change anything. I think it'd be neat if we could fly, so we didn't have to have planes and we'd have to go through TSA and it takes so long, right? Come on, guys, grow up. You start by honoring and respecting reality. So you come into the moment and you do the work you need to do to stop making up an alternate reality and trying to impose it on top of reality. No, people get really scared with that. Well, how will I succeed? I want to know how you manage succeeding fighting with everything. I'm telling you, 90% of all of your shakti, your chi, your energy is wasted suppressing the stuff from the past, using your mind to make up how you want it to be, make all those decisions that are so important, and then fighting with everybody and everything. And you're using so much energy, you have no idea. Imagine if you were taking that golf shot and ask a golf pro, well, what I'm going to do is every movement, when I move my arms back, I'm going to think, am I doing it right? Maybe I should go another degree. And then I'll watch and I'll see it's right. How's that shot going to be? No one will tell you to hit a shot like that. It's supposed to be a fluid, free action, period. There's not supposed to be any mind involved. It is supposed to be a complete merger of your whole being and all of your energy into the oneness of hitting that ball. Go ask anybody. All right, that's it. That's martial arts, that's sports, that's everything. It's the same way with life. If you stop this mishigas, this craziness that we are doing with our minds, and come into the present moment and ask that moment, what is the highest we can do together? That's what you've asked the golf ball that's sitting on the edge of the rough. What is the highest we can do together? How can I join you in the rough and participate in this moment and bring the joy that can exist in this moment and do the best that I can? Because the best you can do is the best that you can do in the moment. It's not something you made up hypothetically. If you live that way, each moment will be better in the next moment. You will have brought your best game to every single moment you're doing. That goes for everything. It goes for business. It goes for relationships. If you're in a relationship and somebody comes to you and says, I need to talk to you, those dreaded words. When you come back from work tonight, that's really nice. We need to have a talk. I've been meaning to talk to you for a while, but I've been scared, but I'm ready. My therapist said I should talk to you. Okay, all right. So you're going to have one hell of a day, aren't you? Your mind's going to make up what they're going to talk to you about, right? This, that, what you're going to say back. This is going to be terrible. And then you're going to sit down, and by the time you did all that, the person's going to sit down and start to talk and sit there saying, I'm really sorry, because I care for you. It starts like that. But there are just some things, and right away out of your mouth, because you've decided what they're talking about, right? It's not true, I didn't do that. I know you think, I always knew you, I thought that you did that. But it's not true, I didn't do it. George did it. He just lied to you. Wow, I gotta jump the gun a little bit here. In other words, what you're going to do, you want to protect yourself from something you are not comfortable with, and you're going to try to use this conversation so that you walk away feeling a little bit better because you didn't feel comfortable with it all day. That's very different than you're going to use this conversation that this person you care about has said, I need some help with something, rather than bringing yourself into the moment, trying to see, can I be of some assistance? You don't care about what that person's going through. You care about what you're going through because that person is threatening you. And therefore, every word you say and everything you hear and everything they do will be about you. It won't be about them. That's how it gets when the emotions get involved, isn't it? It'll be about protecting yourself. Well, if you protect yourself, you're the worst partner that ever lived. If you come into that moment, let go of the part of you that is your personal. Come into the moment. This is your friend. This is your partner. And listen to what the person has to say. Literally, listen. Maybe you'll hear something. Maybe something can be improved. Maybe it has nothing to do with what you're thinking about anyways. Maybe they want to tell you, I just wanted to tell you that I've always wanted to go back to Ireland, and I know you work hard. I bought the tickets. Please don't be mad at me. It's for our anniversary. Forget what I said about George.